Alright, that's it for the lineup. Now for a new segment I'm calling What's in the Box Already? Now this one's off script, and I know I'm going to want to change the camera because I have got a package from Jason at JP Collects, and he sent me 3 of these. So I'm going to switch cameras, but first I want to show you how well he actually packaged these. So each brick has got bubble around the outside, which is fantastic, Jason. Then inside each brick of bubble, you got cardboard on both sides, right, of a bag. So, let me get to that one. Very nice, very nice. I'll even put that on there for you. I got a little note from Jason that says, JB, I look forward to seeing you open this in 2023. Signed, Jason of JP Collects. That's funny. 2023. Alright, anyway, go back to the packaging. He's actually has a bag of comics taped down to the board, which is fantastic. Now, once you get in there, you've got a bag. And then in the bag, you got the comics. It's awesome packaging. I have 3 of these. So now I'm going to switch the camera, okay? Okay, well I had to switch cameras there because this is just a massive haul. Look at how many books we're going to do here. Okay, are we ready? Here we go. Now remember, this is from Jason from JP Budget Collects, and he had an auction. This was my Instagram tag of the day, so we'll pull that one off. And we start with Invincible Iron Man, number 21. And number 20, let's move these over here. And then number 19. Number 18. 17. 16. Oh, that's a wicked cover. 15. 14. 13. 12. 11. 10. 9. 8. Iron Man Identity compromised. 7. Nice. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. That's a great run. Now, there's a couple more here. Let's see what we've got. We've got As Guardians of the Galaxy, number 1. Hunt for Wolverine, number 1. The Exiles, number 1. Fantastic Four, number 1. Daredevil, number 600. And the final book, She-Hulk, number 1. That was awesome. Thanks a lot, Jason. Okay, that was fun. Thanks for taking the time to watch me and our channel today. Please visit me on Facebook and Instagram, where I'll be posting this schedule with any ads and/or changes this afternoon. We also have a Patreon page if you're interested in supporting the channel. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like. If you know of anyone who might be interested in this information or may want to be included in the show, please share this with them. Also, drop me a comment below on how I can improve the show, or if there's a channel out there that I should be watching. Now, if you're not already a subscriber, think about subscribing so you don't miss any of this great new content. Who knows? You may find your new favorite channel today. And as always, don't forget, we had a good time. See everyone later in the chats tonight.